This is the OPPO A16s, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So you first of all need to launch settings, then enter the about device category. After that, go for the storage field, and prior to tapping on it, first of all you will be able to see how many gigabytes you have as per phone memory in general, 64 in my case, and how much of it is currently in use, that is in my case 16 and 3. But after tapping at the storage field, the one that we were looking at previously, you'll be forwarded to the next page that will provide you with a very detailed breakdown on which category of things occupies what part of it. So in my case 12.2 megabytes is being occupied by photos, images. For almost 4 gigabytes is being used by apps, and other category are already displayed over here. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.